Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to check disk space with df command on Linux. So, at the beginning, of course, we will open the terminal. And what is a df command? Df command displays information about mounted file systems, including total, used and available space. And right now, if we will type in df like this, we have some columns and some information, and I will describe you every single column. So the first one, the file system column, shows the name of the device or virtual system. So for example, this dev fda2 is a physical partition, and for example this tmpfs is a temporary in-memory file system. So we have the second column, that is a size of the file system. So for example, we have the size of our partition, the main physical partition right there. Here we have used. This is the amount of space that is currently used by this fda2 partition, so it is this number. We have available space, so this is this number. If you will add this and this, it should equal to this, so you can test it. And we have a percentage of use of our file system, and we have mount point. This is where the file system is mounted. So these are all the columns. Of course, this df command has some options, and I will show you some. So the first option will be df-h. It will show us the more readable, I think, format of this of sizes. So instead of this big number, I just have 49 gigabytes. And as I said before, we are using 6 gigabytes, so this is it. And we have 31 gigabytes available, so you have it right there. We have another option, so df-t. It shows us a type of each file system. So for example, if this physical partition is ext4, and for example this tmpfs is a type of tmpfs, so you can add this column if you want to. And we have one more option, I think. We have df-i. This will show us the I option basically shows the inode usage instead of this space. So this is useful for monitoring, for example, file count limits, especially on system with many small files. So you have inodes, inode use, and inode 3, and a percentage. This is basically, this option means works the same, but in terms of inodes. We can of course filter a specific mount point. So if I want to, for example, search for a df-h and a specific mount point home. As you can see, my physical partition dev fda2 is mounted on my home section, so I can just search for it like that. Of course, I can do it with the different partitions. So for example, this first one, /run, as you can see, it is working fine. And basically this is all in the video that I wanted to show you. If you know how to use df command on Linux, you can leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.